Good morning, guys.
Why do you sound like you're giving the weather?
It is King Willie. It's a good morning out here. But guys, Queen complained a lot, has woken me out of my palace. And Prince Crybaby, because they want to go to a farm. Guys, we at a farm, y'all. You gotta see what this is like. Look, already. Look, that's compost. Get some of that up, dude. That's compost.
You pick it up.
But guys, Perla has found a little small event, supposedly a kid little event with some animals. We did see some horses, some cows, and some chickens.
Some
So
ponies. I see ponies.
it's just gonna be a really quick, short vlog, but see what we gonna get into this morning. How about you go?
Look at your love. Look at the cows over here by himself. You love that. Wow.
They done painted the cow.
Yeah, you can paint the cow. You want to paint the cow, love? Come here.
Why you pick him up? Put him down. Put him down.
I don't want him to get too
He ain't gonna do nothing. That cow ain't gonna bug him. He ain't gonna bug you.
Right.
Yeah, alright, it's a baby cow. He good. Go touch the cow, Papa. Go touch the cow. You scared? It's a cow. Come on, look. Look, Papash. Look, you're the baby cow. Touch it. Look, he just staring out there. It's not a doggy. Pero. Es pero.
No, it's not no perro. Vaca. Vaca.
Take him to touch it. He ain't gonna bite. All these kids out here. He would have been bite somebody. Look, he scared. Ooh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get away from him, Papash.
It's baby.
Hello, cowdy cow. Hello, cowdy cow.
It might be coming because I'm sorry, I don't know.
They done painted all over this dang cow. Ooh. I thought that was you, bro. Ooh, look how tall these horses is. Dang. Touch them, Perla. You scared?
No, it's trying to bite me.
He ain't trying to bite you, dude.
It's trying to bite me.
A nice little horse.
It's a pretty color.
He bite me, I'm
Blonde.
and him bite me, I'm gonna take him down, Papa.
It's a blonde.
It's a blonde girl. Look, Papash. Look, nice and soft.
Oh,
And nice and soft. Yeah, touch him.
Boy.
It's a girl.
Babe! Did you see it?
He said, "Move, don't touch my face." He don't want you touching his face, dude.
Oh my gosh, it almost bit my baby.
Let's not try that one. We ain't gonna bother you, buddy. We out of here. You're on your own. No more petting for you. Ooh. Is it soft, Dada?
The other one's softer. Kind of like coarse.
What, dude? What you looking at your lips for, bruh? What you looking at your lips for, bruh? I ain't got nothing. Oh, he looking for carrots. Where did carrots go?
The girl was
Oh, look at that mug right there. Look at that cow. The black and white cow. Don't let him kick you, Papa. Because she will kick you. This one, I want something in my backyard. What you think about that? Uh-oh. Don't get too close to your face, Papash. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Moo. Misha, moo. It's okay, Dada. Look at. You care, brother?
I don't got nothing.
You trying to snip, dude? What you got? Oh, what you scared for? What you acting scared for, dude?
Because
How you supposed to be having some livestock in the backyard and you scared them? It's all right, baby. You're not doing nothing.
I'm making my baby scared because I'm scared.
Get Leo. It's okay, Baba. He just wants some carrots.
Look at that spotted one.
That one must be an aggressive one.
Which one? This one?
That one.
This bucket?
That's why they got him up in there with his skinny face. It's a cow.
Go back.
No, don't put him on. Ain't no telling him that boy start bucking. He probably start bucking. He started to walk too. They probably used to getting on his back or something.
Look, it looks
Right?
like.
No. Yeah, right. He's like, I'll take you on a detour.
This
Look
one
at him.
don't move. It's stuck.
Chilling. The brown one looking at me, folks, bro. You raise up over here and get me, bro. I'll take you down too.
Ooh.
I'll let my baby go. Yeah, and then give me down.
Oh no.
Look at that nice horse right there. That one's a nice one too. Be scared of you, man. You a big boy. Yeah.
See? She's touching it up. See? Okay.
Look, now you want to get all over it.
Vaca. Moo.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
What you see? What do you see? A coyote? Oh, it's a cat, right? It's a rabbit right there, I think.
Yeah, it's a little rabbit, but I think it's.
Oh, probably just getting excited because the horse. Yeah. Ooh. He got an attitude. That's why it's too early.
Or something.
It's just too early.
This one, look at.
Yeah. He wants something.
Okay, let's.
Got him.
That one, I'm scared to get by that one.
That's all right. Give him that one. Don't let him bite his hand. Oh, dude, you scared? Just give it to him. That's a small carrot too, with them big old teeth.
I know. Hey,
You don't tease him. He gonna get you if you tease him.
Give it to him.
You give it to him.
You, babe. I don't want him to.
Bruh, it's just the horse. Ooh, that's nasty. Give it to that one now.
Let me see.
You gotta talk like a horse, dude. Hey. Is he whistling? Oh, he whistle. You whistle like a, what is it? A elk.
Oh, babe.
You dropped it?
Yeah. You get it.
Be careful, honey. Hold on.
He sound like an elk.
Let me hold this. You want to keep that?
You sound like an elk, skinny face horse.
I'm
What's
scared
up,
of that
sucker?
one.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Ooh. Yeah. You did that
El
one?
caballo hace.
Forty. Get him, Papa. He just want to be touched, Papa. Shoot, I'm kind of nervous too. Look at all the chicken and the roosters and the ducks over there. He an old man. Don't grab me by my pants, boy, because he'll show drag me, my little stuff up in there. Ooh, is that a goat?
Oh, it's a goat.
Is that a Billy? Get out of Billy. 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 Yeah. They say goat in Spanish. You don't even know, bro.
I think it's cabra.
Cabra?
Cabrita, cabra.
Cabrito. It's a boy, right? Cabrito.
Cabrita. Cabrito.
Cabrito.
Cabra. I don't know, dude. I forgot.
I got to eat.
Dude pissing over there.
I wonder if they ride these ones. They need to be shaved. What do you think? Shaved?
No.
What else they got? Big boy horses. That's a cow horse.
That was pretty.
That's a cohorse. That one called a
I
cohorse.
really like this brown one.
Look at him eating. What's your eating cow? Yeah. Get him, baby. Get him. Rope him down. Rope him down. Ooh. Dude, that sound like you when you be asleep.
Ay, que no. Mira, toca la vaca. Uy, la vaca.
It's soft, baby.
Yeah, it's soft.
He's soft, baby. Touch him. Yeah.
Uy, la vaca. Wow.
Let him go. Let his hand go.
He's grabbing me. La vaca. Wow, qué bonita.
Touch him, Dada. Pat him.
Bonitas.
He looking to see if he pee or something.
Mira.
Baby, look.
They shed it. They shed.
Yeah, it's an animal, dude. Yeah.
La vaca. Wow. Good boy, Loves.
See, baby, you can't be scared. We gotta find that almond cow now.
Almond?
Almond cow.
What is an almond cow? Oh. I get it.
It's a nice horse right here. This one we taking home, y'all. Look, they playing in that dookie over there. They having fun playing in that dookie over there. Baby ones. Look, it's a rooster right here. That ain't a rooster, that's a turkey.
That's not a turkey. Look,
It's
they
another
got
cow.
horns, babe.
Look, it's a male.
They got horns. The bull. Oh, they're so.
Mm-hmm. Buck you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got boogies on it. No.
Get him, bye-bye.
Boogies. It's grabbing me real tight.
Oh, where'd the turkey go, dude? That boy took out running somewhere. Not a turkey, but a chicken. Oh yeah, the goat. Remember the goats from the zoo? I mean, not the zoo. The look at him.
The zoo?
Look at him, bruh. Bro, you can't get out, dude. I ain't even got nothing.
Is like trippy. Open
You
the
want a
other
carrot?
phone.
They just looking for carrots.
Mhm.
Get in there, baby. Get in there, Dada. Yep. Get in them. Get in there. Time down. Look. Yeah, him trying to get out. He trying to get out. You got a carrot for him?
Oh, look, he be doing what you be doing. Smacking himself on the pole.
Look at the donkey. Where? Oh. You see the bunnies? They're wanting. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We ain't got no carrots. They was playing. I thought they was doing the other one is way over there. And he ran way over here. Yeah, bunny. You like a Brendo pit bull. Get him, baby. Get him. Where are the chickens at? Wanna go mess with the roosters and chickens? That was a dinosaur. Ooh. Boy said, get me out of here. Now. Ooh, he ready to get it. He said, move, don't touch me, bruh. Bruh, what you doing?
You ready to charge or something?
Nah, he ready to get up out of there. He said, come close if you want to. Come close if you want to. We ain't mess with you, bruh. Look at this one. Look at this one. They got some baby ones way over there. This dude must think he must be big boy up over here. Look, he like, don't mess with him. I'm telling y'all. Get away from him. He probably just hungry, but I ain't trying to risk it. We out of here or what?
Yeah.
Yep.
Mira, ya se va.
Nice. We didn't get one of them in the backyard, dude. Chase them around and stuff. Just think about a rooster. He don't want to be bothered.
So we're just leaving that little farm place. I thought it was kind of nice, you know, all the animals and stuff. I just wanted my baby to see, you know, like the real animals and stuff, because he'd be seeing them on TV.
And then the bugs, bye-bye.
But he had fun.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad he was able to, like, actually touch, like, the cows and stuff.
The bigger he get, he'll probably get used to touching them and stuff. Huh? You're supposed to grab that dang rooster. But alright guys, thanks for watching. We up out of this place. That's all I'm gonna say. Say bye. Say bye, dirty face.
We gotta hurry up and go home, wash our hands.
Mm-hmm.
He was grabbing all over that caca.
Take a bath.